The Jarvis Buster 6 electrically powered bandsaw is ideal for serious production pork splitting, up to 400 hogs per hour. With all this capacity, it's lightweight and easy to handle for reduced operator fatigue. There's an internal disinfection system for all primary contact areas, such as the guides, front and rear wheels, and blade. The front wheel is adjustable for better blade life, and the drive system is lubricated by oil bath for sustained, trouble-free operation. The saw is available in all voltages, and like all Jarvis products, it meets national and international standards of hygiene and safety.